Hello guys, Mano here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel for the first time, I'm Mano. I'm based in São Paulo, Brazil. So guys, today I want to show you guys where you can, if you're not living in Brazil, you're planning to come to Brazil, and where you can fix your phone, where you can repair your phone, maybe the screen guard or anything about your phone that has faults. What you can do, just like Ikeja, like Ikeja in Lagos. So we are going to Computer Village rather. It's like Ikeja. So this place is as Republica. So this is the place there. When you come out from the train station, just take a train. When you come out from the train station, then it's here. Just walk down. So I'll show you guys how to go to the place from here. So it's always very, very cheap there. It's always very, very cheap compared to what you do to your area. So my screen of glasses box, I'm going to go and do it there. So like, you know, this as content for you guys, so you guys can know. After the admission of that place, go. When I get there, I've gone to this place like I think twice or three times. So I used to go there very, very well. So and I'll drop a contact also that you guys can call. Maybe you want to fix your phone also. So guys, let's get straight into the video. Come out from the train station, just walk down like this. I'll cross to the other side. It's like 10 minutes walk from the train station. Let's cross now. Looking for the lights. This is Republican. This is one of the baby side here in Brazil. So your phones, your things have to just hold them very, very tight. This place we see lots of police officials are always here, and you see lots of Nigerians here also. So it's close to the big galleria. That's what I posted about where you can buy African things. It's close to the place. I've crossed already. I crossed there. So again like this. At the beautiful city of Republica. This is Central. You call it Central. It's called Central. Central. So I'm just going to show you guys how to go to the place from the public train station. You just walk straight. Down. So when you get there, you see people to come to mommy too. That they used to repair phone like that. How this is to do in Computer Village. That's how it is. So.
Gente, eu não entendi, cara. É porque eu não sei com quem foi, não, mano.
Yeah. Going down like this also. Going down. Republica Central. That side on the right there is the way to the big galleria where you get African things. There. So this area you see a lot of there are Nigerians there, there are Angola, there are Ghanaian. This area, lots. Central is like Central is city center. Yes. Yeah. Let's cross. Go. Yeah. What's in ball? See? Can you see? It's the going. That's some park area there. I'll get African things there too. Stuff there too. So you get how to just go straight. We're going straight. Straight! So straight down. You're close to the place. Yeah, God save me, oh. God, I beg. Well, I didn't see this thing. I didn't see it, though. I didn't check it at all. God, I beg. Hey, see dog you. That's enough power. Push out. There's a practice figure. Still going down. This we are close to the place. So just from that side. You see people come to my meet you now. Come and do something. All these boys. So you now turn to your left hand side. Just turn to the side. So you turn to the side, left hand side. So people come to meet you as well. Trying to meet you and do something. This place. A lot of people buy electronics, same things too. Electronics, do your phone, everything. So easy. Buy things, anything gadget, electronics, always cheaper here. This place. Always very, very cheaper. So this side. For phones, everything, bike gadget, speaker, anything, TV. The company is always cheaper. Yeah, this is where I'm going to. This is the shop of person.
Hoje está aberto, tudo foi assim.
So this is the shop I'm going to.
Vamos lá. Deixa eu falar. Aqui que dia era feriado.
Anyway, so this person doing it, this is the store. Yeah, so you can do it if you come, it's very, very cheap.
Só os americanos agora.
See? So this is the CEO, the owner of the store. You just come here. Thank God my screen is this thing. It's fine. The screen is not affected at all. Just the screen guard. So thank God. It's trouble. So my phone is fine. The screen is fine. It's just the screen guard I use that broke. So I just remove them. So this place, I'll put his number and everything, sure. Just call me here. Let's go inside straight. Sky Cell. See at the front there. So let's cross to that side. I want to get some things from top. This is Vienna. Hey, what time Vienna? Maybe it's so here. Let's ask. Oi. This is my DJI this night, but let me see. It's so here also.
Se quiser pão, Esse?
Teve um que eu comprei de lapela, que era bom. Não sei.
Quanto é esse? 25, né?
Isso. O pagamento vai ser como?
Pix. Mas não, esse é um. Esse é um.
Sempre não, Madia.
I want to use, né?
Eu não, me como mediu lá.
Dois. Esse teste.
Dois desses?
Sim, compra mais.
Peraí.
Tá bom. Um teste, não.
Uma, eu cheguei a um lote da eu não. Uma, eu sempre não.
Esse custa? 250
Don't buy PS to here. PS, all these people that like PS come here, they saw PS, everything, and it's always cheaper. It's very cheap. Very cheap. Just showing you guys around. It's a big distance. This is just a particular, just a segment here. This segment here. It's by speaker. So speaker, JBL, everything is here. It's always cheaper when you come by it here. Always very cheap. Very cheap. Always very, you can see JBL. Speakers. By PS. There's a lot of PS.
Isso acabou de sair, peraí. Ele foi sentar a
Oi,
marmita
tudo bem? Just this shop, I'll just show you. So if you just come here, just enter anywhere. You see people that will take you around. The address is Rural Santa Ifigênia. I have to ask someone here. So I'll put this in this thing too, in the caption, in the description, in this on the channel. So Rural Santa Ifigênia. So maybe I'm staying in a long distance. I'll just take Uber from a place to this place. You just get it. Just come in. These are always cheap here. Yeah, electronics, things, everything. Pay your phone. Get it here. So guys, kindly subscribe, like, share. Can I don't show you? Put everybody. Kindly subscribe, like, share. See you in my next vlog in São Paulo Brazil. Love you guys.